Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are all doing well. My name is Mohammad Naeem and I am from Computer Engineering Department here at UIT Lahore. This video is for my entrepreneurship course final year project. Over the last few months, I have been building a startup called Smart Ventilation System. Basically, the idea is the use of artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things to make indoor air cleaner while saving a lot of electricity. Instead, Instead of fans running at full speed a full day, our system thinks and adjusts its speed based on air quality. So, where did this come from? Well, honestly, we have all been in stuffy classrooms or crowded offices where the air quality heavy and you start feeling sleepy. That's high carbon dioxide level. On the other hand, factories and big offices waste a lot of money on ventilation when no one is even in the room. I saw this gap and through why not automate it. My business is a digital physical hybrid. We sell the smart hardware unit, but we also provide a dashboard where managers can track their air quality and energy savings in real time. It's a huge market opportunity, especially with the green building trend picking up in Pakistan. Now, let's talk about branding. A founder needs to look the part, right? So, here is my LinkedIn profile. I have optimized my headline to show that I am not just a student, but a computer engineer with experience in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and full stack development. In my summary, I have highlighted my passion for emerging tech. I want everyone visiting my profile, whether a client or a partner, to know exactly what I bring to the table. I have also listed my work as a .NET and Munstack developer on Upwork and Fiverr. Why? Because it proves I can actually build a tech I am selling. During this course, I used LinkedIn to connect with experts in HVAC and construction industry to get feedback on my LinkedIn profile. It's been great networking tool. Managing a startup is a chaotic, so I used ClickUp to stay organized. Here is my dedication. Here is my dedicated workspace. I have broken it down into technical development, marketing, and finance. You can see the task I have completed, like finalize sensor specs or list generations using ClickUp. Taught me that productivity is not about working hard; it's about tracking your progress or so you don't get overwhelmed. Every startup needs a home. I built this website to showcase the smart ventilation system. I kept it clean and professional. I have updated section for the problem we solve. Our technology and contact us from the biggest challenge here was explaining the engineering, like airflow rates and AI sensors in a way that a business owner would understand. It's all about benefits, not just the features. Okay, for marketing, I don't just post random stuff. I used Photoshop or Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator to design our educational content. For example, this post explains how poor air quality affects employee productivity. And this one shows the energy saving our system provide. I have been active on LinkedIn and Facebook targeting. local industries groups. It's not about likes, it's not about comments and shares. It's about building the trust in the brand. This was probably the most practical part of course. So find customers, I used Apollo. I targeted facilities managers, operational heads in the textile and software house sectors across Pakistan. I did not want to just send random messages. I filtered for companies when at least 50 employees because they are one who need our system the most. I managed to build like 100 plus high quality leads. Once I had the leads, I set up an email marketing strategy. I wrote a personalized email focusing on one thing: reducing your electricity bill, switch to finance sheet, and speaking of bills, here is my financial plan. I have calculated the burn rate and the break even point for the smart ventilation system. We need to sell about 10 to 15 units to cover our initial R&D and D and manufacturing costs. It's a solid plan with a clear path to profit. It was not all smooth sailing. One big challenge was the hardware cost. Sensors are getting expensive. I had spent a lot of time researching different vendors to find a right balance between quality and price. And the issue was market education. People here in Pakistan often think a simple exhaust fan is enough. I had learned how to explain the ROI means return on investment to convince them a smart system pays for itself in 6 months. Looking back, this semester has been a huge learning curve. I started as a tech guy who just wanted to code, but now I feel like an entrepreneur. I have learned how to sell, how to manage a brand, and how to find a real leads. These are skills I also use for my software house and any other project I do. My future plan is are I am not stopping here. I am going to build a physical prototype of this ventilation system and test in a local office. I want to see this startup grow into a real company that's make our buildings smarter and greener. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.